Alright. First of all, move my stuff out of the way because they're so annoying. Alright. You see, I can't see much because of my sunglasses and my mask. It creates some moisture, so I'm gonna have to go in blind, which is fucking annoying. You don't understand, I don't see shit with this. For step by step. Looks like I'm gonna go in blind because my friend is busy. I'm ready, you guys here? Hey, you guys are here? So anyways, I'm gonna go with the motherboard. Why do you have glasses again? I don't want to show my face. Hi. I just don't want to show my face. That's it. So, here it is. Here's the motherboard and here's the CD. So I got my manual. I was about to lose the most important thing. The nails. Do I need to use my sunglasses? I think I don't need to. I just need to not show my face. Alright, here it is. So. Oh yeah, I need the box. Shit. Yeah, I just don't want to show my face because I'm really not a big fan of my face. So anyways, yeah, let's go. First, this one, 1 terabyte SSD, because I'm fucking scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. What do you want, Kimbo? You scared me. You scared me. Oh my god, you fucking scared me. I need you in my call. Kimbo, please, I'm scared. I took my glasses off. I took my glasses off. Here. Tell me what to do. Okay, here's the motherboard. Here's the motherboard. Here. I'm fucking scared, alright. Okay, start with the CPU. Okay, gotcha. You know, it's much easier when you're in call with me, Kimbo. I'm fucking scared, and I need content. So, I watched this in a video, so I need to take the pin off first. Yeah. I'm scared. Okay, so don't touch the bottom one. Okay, so the little triangle is right here. Okay, put the pin down. All right, and now the RAM. Okay, gotcha. Right. I have 32 gigabytes, so 2 sticks right here. Oh. Okay, I heard the 2 clicks. Okay, I don't wanna break. What was the sound? Oh, so now next. What's next? It's SATA. Okay. Okay, how do I put it in? How do I insert it? Where's the hole? Is it this one? No, it's not. Is it the upside down? Oh! Is it broken? No. Label facing you. Okay, it's facing me. We're going to put together PC, not disarming a bomb. Great, just chill. Don't worry, don't come to school. Just don't come to school, alright? Is it this tiny screw right here? No, this is too tiny. This is going great so far, yeah. This is going great. Okay. Here we go. I am so sorry, guys. I wasted 15 minutes of your time. Is this normal? It's kind of elevated, if you ask me. Oh! Okay. Oh, never mind. That's a Pepega move. It's alright, Kimbo. It's alright. So here's a tiny screw. Undo the screw and then show me the screw. Put it down. You screw that into a correct spot for your size of the SSD. Then screw a smaller screw into the top of that big boy. Okay. It's still wrong. You have to have it on the top of that big boy. I did put it on big. I have the small screw inside the boy. Oh! Okay, now I got you guys. Okay. I was just being a dumbass. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, here it is. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. Thanks, Felix. Thank you. Oh. Okay, Incinerator, he's talking about the SSD that I was doing. I was doing it wrong and it bent over time, so it won't work in the future. So I was being a dumbass and I almost broke my SSD card. That's it. The way that I did was so dangerous because it could bend over time. That's what he's trying to say. Yeah. Now, the CPU cooler. Okay. So how do I put this baby thing? It's 8 inches long. So do I have to unscrew the screws here because because these black things, this one? Do I have to unscrew those? Okay, I do have to remove the screws. Okay, gotcha. It's tied in so tight. What the fuck? Look at this shit. It's so tight. Oh god. Oh no, what have I gotten myself into? Look, this is square, alright? This is square. And this is it doesn't reach. So I'm in a bit of a pickle here. 90 degrees. The back piece. What do you mean the back piece? I'm trying. I told you this. Okay, 90 degrees. It doesn't. It's square. I told you guys. That's for the Intel. Put the old one back in. All right. So I put those in. Remove the plastic. I already did. And like this, right? Okay, good. So only a little bit in the middle. Okay. Kimmy? Thermal paste, is that enough? Alright, Kimbo, okay. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good.
I would say, alright, you see that size? Do that same size. Do like 2 of those on the left and the right of it. You need more than that.
Yeah, this is enough. Yeah, this is what I told you. Yeah. Plus sign in the middle, left and right. Yeah.
Oh, careful, careful,
oh, you scuff your foot! Stop it, dude! Stop it! I'm scared.
I would say, when you screw it down tight. Not too tight, but tight.
First of all, I need to remove this thing because I can't screw it down unless I have to remove this.
Remove what?
The fan.
Oh.
Because I can screw it down with it.
Oh yeah, because it screws down from the...
Yeah. I don't want to do that, and it costs money, and I'm gonna build it myself for experience, just in case in the future if I'm gonna upgrade or stuff. Okay, here's what the motherboard looks like now. It's a little bit big. Yeah. Good. So I got this one ready. And what next?
Okay. Now, you got it on?
Yeah, I got it on.
So now, grab your power supply, I'd say first. You're gonna want to clear a bit of space, so take away the screwdrivers for now, take away the bowl. Prerequisite, I'm gonna need to see your GPU's like power plugs, and then you can put it back in the box for now. I just need to know what it takes power wise.
This is a huge one, what the fuck?
What?
What the fuck? It's fucking huge!
It'll take 2 8-pins. Okay, go into your power supply box.
Okay, I got it. Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna have a nightmare.
That's why I'm having you do it now before you actually put it into your computer.
Oh my god! Oh god! Wires here.
Okay, this would be so much easier if I just like next to you. Now look at the back of your PSU. You know all those sockets were?
Yeah?
In the top right, there are all of those ones which have 8 little pins. Grab 2 of the black cables that correspond with those sockets.
Okay, okay, this is for CPU, right? Okay, good. This is for CPU.
I don't bloody know. I'm not you. I ain't got your eyes, bro. Alright, that is for your CPU. Okay, yeah, keep that. Okay, you see that orange bucket? That's gonna be a cable bucket. Put it in the orange bucket. That's gonna be one you keep. So put it in the orange bucket.
Alright.
Right, now show me the other one. Show me the one right in front of your hand.
So it says PCIe.
Okay, put that in the bucket. That's a bucket. Okay, now grab another one.
Oh no.
We're gonna go through it. That's the easiest way to do it. Just go through it, because I don't know if you know which cables or what.
Okay, now this one it doesn't say much. It doesn't say much.
But no. Okay. No, not right now. That can come in as a reserve, but not right now. Okay. Put that to the right of your desk, actually. Okay, just put that in a separate pile, just in case you need it. I feel like I'm watching Hardcore Henry. To the right, I would say. To the right.
Okay, now here's the big boy.
Bucket.
PCI's bucket?
No, but put it to the right just in case you need another one. But you shouldn't do. To the right again, just in case. Yes. Bucket.
The same one again.
No.
It's another one.
No.
Okay, so we got the cables separated.
You know all the ones that I've said no to, have you also been putting them on the right?
Yes, I did put them on the right.
Okay, but you know the ones I've been saying save for later? Did you also put those on the right with the ones I said?
Here the ones said no. Here the both of these you said no.
Don't worry about it. It's fine. Just leave them on the right for now. Okay, then grab your pal. Why?
Kimball, I don't know if I can trust you. All right.
No, it's just that I had like an organizing like method there.
Okay.
And it was miscommunication that messed up. The
Okay.
organizing.
Okay.
Reach into the bucket, grab the big boy. Oh, he can trust me, Ken. He can trust me.
Yeah, I trust Kimball. Don't worry.
I built my own computer.
Yeah.
My computer is a fucking piece of shit, actually.
Okay, I got the big
It
boy
works
one.
as
I got the big boy.
One end is to go into the power supply, but I would like you to consult the manual because I don't know if one specific end has to go in. So just look at the manual first and see what they recommend. Now grab a PCIe.
Okay, now I got another one.
Yes.
Then
Plug it in.
at the
What do you think? Fucking plug it in. Dylan Kempter. Thank for you. Thank for you. Thank for you for yeah. I tried to thank him for subscribing, but it didn't come out right, did it?
Oh,
Thank for you.
I didn't see. Alright, it doesn't make sense for now because not other people subscribe on a stream. Alright, fuck you. I'm sorry. Thank you for subscribing.
Why do you have a face mask on?
I don't want to show my face.
You look like a member of BTS in a mask.
Ugh.
That's not a good thing. BTS are fucking correct.
Ugh.
Didn't one of them get like arrested for like date drug rape or something?
Yeah, no shit. Yeah, one of them got
Yeah,
arrested.
fucking hell.
Anyways, let's
I
go.
will not stand that. Anyways,
Okay.
don't want YouTube breathing down my neck. Now grab your GPU. Now
Oh my god.
in the upper slot.
Yeah.
In the upper slot, you see the upper slot?
Yes.
All right, you don't want to. Now flip the other one back down. Did you flip it down? Yeah, and then just push it until you hear the click.
Okay, hold on.
You should have the clearance to the top because the top is 16 times. You want highest GPU bandwidth, you know. Yeah, you.
Fuck off, dude.
Bro, I'm helping you.
Yeah,
I get to say what I want to say.
Yeah, yeah. You're gonna make me laugh, and that's gonna be the end of my life.
As long as I'm not racist, I'm in the clear, bro.
Yeah, okay, it doesn't fit. What the fuck?
Wait. Be careful. Be calm. Be patient.
I had this thing on. You had the.
Try to align it.
I had the cover on.
Oh,
this way.
you're a fucking pillow. All right. And be careful. Be slow. It's not a delicate part, but you don't want to snap it, you know.
It's in.
Just punch it. You can't screw it down to anything, so it's just gonna be free floating for a bit.
Okay.
Now plug those PCIe ones you got. Plug those into the top of the GPU. I'm looking at my own. I think I've got it all. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
Have I got it all?
Kimball, you're not making me feel safe. Yeah. Okay. There you go. There we go. You got it.
Now, did you get like HDMI cables and all that?
Yeah, I got cables. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now plug from your GPU into your monitor. Just a little heads up now. If you have multiple monitors, I don't know if you do. Plug it all into your graphics card, not your motherboard, because your motherboard gets graphics from your CPU. You have a Ryzen which doesn't have that. It all comes from your graphics card.
Okay.
I don't even know if you. I pray that you heard me.
Okay, I got the power for the monitor, and HDMI for my thing. What should I do?
And now plug those in. You're gonna need a screwdriver for this, preferably metal, because it needs to be metal.
Okay.
And at the bottom of your motherboard, there'll be a set of pins.
Okay.
And what you're gonna want to do is get your screwdriver and put it in between those two pins gently, and then that'll power your computer on. It's got one thing above it. It's next to the USB thing. It's got one thing above it as well.
It's on? Oh! It's on!
Yeah. Not,
Oh,
okay.
that's awesome!
I can't see it. So is the fan spinning?
Yeah, the fan's spinning, everything's spinning. The GPU. Okay, I got the CPU and stuff.
Okay, so it posted fine. Okay, so that means you can move on to pegging it into the case. Cool.
Okay.
Alright, power it down. Power it down.
The CPU,
So
the
just hit
CPU, the
those
CPU
two
thing is not
numbers.
on. This fan is dead.
It won't be spinning right now because it's not doing anything.
Ah,
It's
okay,
not.
okay.
Okay, move, also clear out your power supply because you need to move your motherboard to the left.
Okay, here it is.
Okay, now clear out those cables as well. And grab your case. Get your fucking case. There you go.
So, what next? Okay, I got the sides off.
Okay, I don't even know what case you have, so I have no idea.
It's
Because I don't really have a good angle.
Antec P101.
Look for an IO shield. You should have an IO shield. Alright,
Oh.
is that in the case?
No,
Is
I
that in the
have it
case?
with the motherboard.
Okay, you see the side that's black?
Yeah.
Put that side facing outwards.
Okay.
So you would see that when looking at the PC from behind.
Okay.
Alright, is it in?
Yep, it's in.
Alright, now pick it back up and then face it towards the camera. Now, you see that hole in the bottom right?
Yeah.
That's where you're going to put your PSU. You're not going to do it yet, though.
Okay.
Because there's a shit ton of cable management.
Okay.
Now, you see those two black things? On the like white panel, there are two black...
So they touch one of these.
Okay, does it just go straight on there?
You need screws.
I need screws. Okay, well, look for those. This is all you, because I'm
Sorry, I did.
not there.
It's alright. So, what next?
So good. Alright. Now, you see those cables down at the... Oh, what? Oh, you're going crazy. Oh, you're going crazy. Okay, now, you see those two thumb screws?
Yeah?
Yeah, undo those.
Oh, I'm gonna put in the CPU, PSU.
Yeah. And then what you'll do is you'll slide it in through that hole. Not from... Don't put it inside the case and slide it out. Slide it through
Okay.
from the back.
So after I plugged in the stuff, what next?
I'm gonna have you route the cables to where they need to be preemptively, so you don't have to do it when the motherboard's in.
Right here?
No. It's gonna be more than that. And then all you need to do is while you put the motherboard in, keep all those cables out of the way, but you'll thank me later because now you don't have to do that while your case is heavier than it already is.
Okay. I need to put in the motherboard.
Yes, you do. Align it with the picture of a standoff that I sent you. I'll send it again just to refresh.
Okay, I got the screws in, Kimball. I got the motherboard in.
Okay, now you see those black and white sheets of metal?
Oh, okay.
Black and white.
Yeah. And plug in the GPU, correct?
Yes. Well, first, plug in all those power cords before
Okay.
you plug in the GPU.
Now all I need to do is plug in the GPU, I guess. Try doing a water-cooled PC? Nah, I think I'm good, fam.
Personal opinion, I'd rather a I'd rather an air-cooled PC than water-cooled PC. Because liquids have a thermal limit. So if you're running a hot CPU and the liquid reaches its thermal limit and it can't conduct any more heat, it's just gonna start
Boiling up.
fucking boiling up. Yeah.
Okay, Kimbo, I got it all plugged in.
Just I'd say close the back, plug in the USB stick if you've already got the Windows on there. And then hit, I think it's at the F12 or delete bar.
So I'm gonna power up the PC.
Plug it in and then power up the PC. And then there'll be button prompts, and then one of your button prompts will be boot manager or you know, boot select, something like that.
I found the first problem. It doesn't boot up.
Does the power button not work?
Yep. It still doesn't work. Well, you see, Cornhole, the problem right now is I don't know which one's positive or negative. Never the fuck, man. It says right there. Hey! It turned on! Boys, it turned on! Omedetou, yay, boy. What did Kimball say? Control F2 once I booted up the PC.
Just mash it. F2, F12, delete, mash it. It's different for every BIOS. Well, for every manufacturer BIOS.
We'll see, they're all turned on. Yes, demonic signs on it.
Oh.
Hey!
There you go, it's fine. Yeah,
Okay.
cool, okay. I will give you the tool in order to crack Windows
Okay.
tomorrow. Goodbye. I'm going. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Wait, no, shit! Fuck!
What?
I need to do it now. You know what? Yeah, I'll...
No, it's fine.
No. I'm gonna find the Windows key.
You're gonna go and buy a Windows key? No, I don't believe you can. But there's a tool on Reddit. Let me find it. 1 second.
Well, I'm installing Windows right now.
You guys sort this.
It says installing Windows.
I'm fleeing.
Why?
I'm done.
Why?
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
What?
Just gonna
It's still loading. So starting services. Okay. There we go. Hey! We did it! Hey! I'm so happy! Yahoo! Here's my new setup. Yeah, it's pretty good. Big monitor, very good. Here's my PC. Yeah, I can open it and show you guys the 3 fans that came with, but you know I can't open it right now. So yeah, my PC is really good, and I have to go for special things. And so yeah, I have to go to the special thanks. Travelcare, thank you. JFJ for bringing you guys. Rob, not Rufus. Artbone, Greeny, and Fresh, but yeah. And especially, I want to thank Ken, Campbell, and Tyrion for helping me a lot. And yeah, they told me about specific parts, and especially Kimball, who taught me how to do it. And my good friend Ken, he also helped me with parts. So yeah, I couldn't have done this without them. Yeah. Also, I also want to thank the people who stop by and stream and say hi and watch me mess up this computer. Yeah, that's fun. It's really fun to talk with a lot of people, and yeah, it just makes me more motivated to make videos and do more live streams just to interact with you guys. So yeah, I don't want to end this hobby because it's really fun and I love it. So anyways, thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys will stop by in the future live streams. Take care and stay safe. It's a hard time these days, the pandemic and stuff. Yeah, I hope it will end soon. So yeah. Anyways, take care and stay safe. See ya.